Hello everyone! In this lesson, we'll be doing the modal verb mögen. To know what are modal verbs, do check out our video on modal verben. Mögen. Let's see what are our learning objectives for this lesson. Firstly, we'll be doing a few sentences to understand the modal verb mögen and its position. This will be followed by a few situations where mögen can be used and the conjugation of the verb. Finally, we'll be doing a small exercise. So let's begin. Ich mag Fußball spielen. Wir mögen Bier trinken. In both these sentences, the modal verb is in the second position and is conjugated, whereas the other verb is at the end of the sentence and is in infinitive. Let's look at a W-Frage. Wer mag Eis essen? In this case also, the modal verb is in the second position and conjugated, whereas the other verb is at the end of the sentence in infinitive. Now let's see what happens in the case of a Ja-Nein-Frage. Magst du Fahrrad fahren? Here, the modal verb is in the first position and is conjugated, whereas the other verb is again at the end and not conjugated. This happens only in the case of a Ja-Nein-Frage. Mögen als Vollverb. In some cases, the modal verben are also used as the main verb in the sentence. That means you don't need another verb at the end. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Ich mag Pizzas. As you can see, this sentence has only one modal verb. This is because from the situation, it can be clearly identified what is being talked about. Anwendung. Now let's see in what situations can the modal verb mögen be used. Etwas gern haben. You mostly use the modal verb mögen when you are expressing your likeness for something. For example, ich mag tanzen. So now, let's learn how to conjugate the verb. Do repeat after me. Ich mag. The conjugation of mögen with ich is different and it has to be learned this way. Du magst. In this case, the conjugation of du takes the conjugated form of ich and you add an st at the end. Sie mögen. Sie, es, man mag. In this case, the conjugation is the same as that of ich. This rule is for all modal verben. Wir mögen. Ihr mögt. Sie mögen. Sie mögen. Übung. Now let's do an exercise to see what you have learned. All you have to do is conjugate the verb and fill in the blank. And here's the first sentence. You have to conjugate the verb with du. And your answer should be, wen magst du? Let's do the next sentence. And your answer should be, Sabine mag mit Kindern spielen. Well done!